NOLA Gent here, and we got a little shrimp boil going on. Yeah, come check this out. We're gonna have a little fun cooking time. Yeah. Welcome to NOLA Gent. Let the good times roll. So if you've watched our last two videos, you know we've been exploring the area around the Westwego Shrimp Lot. And we're stopping in again in the Westwego Shrimp Lot to go to Captain Jonathan Seafood because they've got a lot of great fresh shrimp and other fresh seafood right off the boat here. So we're getting our shrimp order weighed in here.
The best time. Off the boat.
So we got 5 pounds of shrimp for a cost of $20 cash. Now they're put on ice, so we need to hurry home while the ice coolness lasts. And they've got plenty of other seafood here if you wanted to add more to that order, but we're gonna focus on cooking shrimp today. So here we are with the 5 pounds of shrimp next to the pot. We're gonna boil them in, and these are some beautiful large Gulf shrimp. So we've got our other ingredients right here ready to go, so let's get started. Here's our ingredients for our shrimp boil we're gonna do. Got some garlic, some onion, a little lemon, some mushrooms. Of course, you gotta have your special shrimp and crawfish boil mix. And some mushrooms, and then potatoes are usually in there, but they don't have any little red potatoes available anywhere today. Supply chain issues. Tragedy to not have the little potatoes. It's so sad not to have our tiny little beautiful potatoes, but hey, you know, do what you gotta do. And over here, look at these beautiful, beautiful shrimp. Oh yeah, fresh off the boat. Here we go, straight from the shrimp lot. We catch them. Oh, look at this thing. Oh yeah, he's gonna be a delicious little snack here soon. So, all right, so we're gonna put the water in here. We're gonna boil all this stuff together until it gets up to a nice rolling boil. And then these guys go in. All right, let's get started. Okay, so this is all of our ingredients. I've already thrown on a few bay leaves. Gotta do a little extra magic here. You always need some salt. Then you have your crab and shrimp boil little seasoning packet right here. Bam! You throw that in whole. And of course, always important, you always need more spice. A little Tony Chachere's is always mandatory. We're gonna add a good little amount of that too, just cause you gotta have that love in there. Oh yeah. Alright, so we're gonna let this all come to a nice boil. Then we'll add in the shrimp. Oh yeah. Then the shrimp cook pretty fast. Then you kind of let them soak a little bit to get all the juiciness in there. So that's very similar to how you boil crawfish, crabs, most of the other things that we like to boil here in Louisiana. So here we go. Good stuff. Yeah, look at here. We got the boil going. Now, there's a nice tradition that we're going to teach you now. We have to do the special random ingredient of the day. So, since I could not find potatoes or other things, we're going to put in some Brussels sprouts. Sometimes you get crazy. Some people add frog legs sometimes. I've seen brisket added. So there's lots of random ingredients of the day, special surprise that can be added. Now, of course, putting in the frozen stuff interrupts my boil for the moment, so we're gonna have to let it heat up a little again, get the boil going, and then we're gonna cover and let this stuff simmer for 15 minutes. And then we're gonna add in the shrimp and the magic should happen. So it's our step-by-step, play-by-play here. Okay, we're up to a nice rolling boil. Oh yeah, look at all that beautifulness. So lots of good stuff going on here. All right, so we gotta cover it. I'm just gonna set it and forget it. I'm gonna turn this down to a below simmer for a while. So let all this beautifulness keep going for 15 minutes, then we'll be back. Time to add the shrimp. Whoa, look at this. Yeah, that's going good. Okay, this could be a little dangerous here. Let's see if I can succeed without making a mess. Oh yeah, this is extra special here. Oh wow, it's 5 pounds of shrimp. You know, you just gotta get them in here, mix it up. See how quickly they're already turning pink. They cook fast. So that fast, they literally are turning pink and cooking. So this is a very rapid process. Now it's also good to have a little ice to back you up and cool down this process faster. Because you don't want to overcook the shrimp. They get tough fast. Okay, so good to let them soak in the water a little bit for the flavor, but you want to turn the heat off and cool it down. Now the shrimp were already on ice, a little cool, so they did help cool the water down a little bit. Oh yeah, that's still hot. Safety first. All right, just gonna let it soak for a little bit, and then it's time to eat. Okay, I've got a few of the shrimp plated up. Let's give it the initial taste test and see how they are. Ha boiled shrimp. Got a nice little special head on here. Gotta rip that off. Pops right off. Ooh. Yeah. Special ingredient, mystery ingredient of the day, Brussels sprout. Little mushroom. Garlic. Ooh, yeah. Always good to have a little onion. Gotta have a little more garlic. Ooh, yeah. Special shrimp again. Extra long antenna. So just like I'm totally destroying this shrimp, go ahead and destroy that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment below. Let me know what you thought about this boiled shrimp. While you're down there, go ahead and check out the link to my Patreon account, as I do work for tips and I appreciate any help with that. Thanks so much to everybody at Captain Jonathan Seafood and all the other vendors at the Westwego Shrimp Lot for their fantastic, amazing fresh seafood. And thanks so much to all of you out there for tuning into the NOLA Gent Channel, especially to my Patreons. If you would so kindly go ahead and share this video with any of your friends or contacts that would enjoy it, as it really would help me with the YouTube algorithm. Then tune in next time for more good food, good times, and good people. NOLA Gent here, and thanks so much for watching. And just go ahead and destroy this video right here to keep up with the fun.